Alright, what is going on, guys? Lunker Catcher here. I'm excited because my package arrived in mystery tackle box. And this is going to be an unboxing video, so yeah. Alright. Okay. So we got the card here. Oh my gosh. We got, oh my god. Lunker Hunt. We got a Lunker Hunt here. Oh my god. The next one. Lucky Craft. Oh my god. So, and then we got hooks right here. So we got size 5. Oh, wait, 5. And then we got bruisers. So, bruiser baits. Yes. Okay, and then, yeah, these, and then big bite baits. Swim craws. Oh, swim craws. I might use these my chatterbait. Oh my god. And the hooks. I'm gonna put this on my tackle box. Oh, that's so sick. Oh my god. So I'm just going to show you everything again. The bruisers, the hooks. Look, they're 5. There, right there. Oh my god. And that's it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. I'm so happy, and I get these in, a couple, like, I don't know, my next package is going to be coming soon. I get these monthly, so this is going to be like a monthly unboxing. I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. I'm going to hit the camera out with my hat.